I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change watch faces on this smart band. So what you want to do is long press on the current watch face, and that's going to allow you to swipe and choose between some of the pre-installed watch faces that you have on your smart band. Okay, so once you find one that you like, for instance, if you like this one, tap on it and it's going to be added. Now you can also customize these ones. So some of them have more customization options than others. So for instance, if you long press on it to get to editing mode, you can tap on settings and you'll notice you can change a few things like colors, mostly colors, and sometimes even the complications. But you don't get a whole lot of customization options. Now, another way you can do this is to go to settings. So from the watch face, go to the quick settings and tap on settings, and then you should see edit band display. If you tap on that, you'll notice you can also change watch faces from here. Choose the one you like, tap on it, and it's gonna be added to your watch faces. Now, if you want even more watch faces, then you have to go to the app on your phone, and that is the Mi Fitness app on your phone. So launch the app, this Mi Fitness app, just launch it, and then go to device, and then you should see your device, which is the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Tap on manage band displays, and once you tap on that, you should see band displays. Now you have two tabs here. This tab will show you your band displays, and these are the watch faces on the smart band itself already, the ones that are already installed, and you can switch from here if you want to. So just pick one, tap on apply, and it's going to get applied to the smart band. Okay, now you can also customize a few things. Now if you go back to that page, you have this option called online here, and if we can just refresh the page, so you have all these watch faces that you can use. There are plenty of them. There are so many, over 200 watch faces that you can actually use on your Smart Band 8 Pro. So some of them are written in Chinese, so it's going to be, you might want to translate what you're seeing here just to be able to get a grasp of what exactly they're talking about. So that is basically how to change watch faces on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.